So wet and so moist. My first time having Danny Boy's, one of the highest rated, if not the best in Los Angeles. This is my first time, and I hope after seeing this, it can be your first time. And hope you enjoy watching my first time too. So as you can see, guys, I've got the cheese slice. Classic. Looks really great. Let's taste it. Oh. Really good slice. And I've also got the hot honey and the pepperoni. Pepperoni is good, cheese is good. I'm gonna try it with homemade ranch. Homemade ranch is so good. The new hot honey looks really good. So wet and so moist. So juicy. Probably one of the two best places for pizza in LA, because I've tried pizza in New York and Italy as well. The score is 8.126. Thank you. A little bit of flop, but it looks really... Oh, man, seriously.